Welcome to We as One Chinese Language Camp.
Established in 2020, We as One is a summer program particularly designed for students currently learning Chinese as a world language. We offer a high-quality immersion experience full of fun hands-on activities and cultural dialogues. Students not only engage with diverse instructors, but also collaborate with peers from other Chinese programs and heritage families.
We wanted them to be able to practice their Chinese language, their Chinese listening skills, and then we also saw all the activities they would be doing, which is what my daughter and son have both been coming home super excited about.
At We as One Camp, we thrive to use world language and culture as a bridge to provide all participants with a richer sense of who we are, where we come from, and what we can build together as a community. Our curriculum is designed with strong literacy, aiming to build students' intercultural competence and awareness for belonging and inclusion. All our high school counselors have Chinese learning backgrounds and serve as great role models for younger learners. We also invite adult guest speakers with a variety of backgrounds to join us and share their personal stories with campers.
They have more understanding, compassion, empathy for people. My youngest said it best when he told me that everyone is the same but could be different. You just have to get to know them and their identities as a person.
Join us this summer. Together as a community, we create a safer and more equitable future for our next generation through world language and culture education.